How smart are you? This general knowledge quiz features 50 questions that range from simple to surprisingly tricky. Keep track of your score and tell me how you did at the end. Let's get started. Which word refers to a scientist who predicts and observes weather conditions? B. A meteorologist. What do we call one of the two equal halves of Earth created by the equator or a major meridian? The answer is C. Hemisphere. Which of the following creatures is not classified as an insect? A. A spider. Which Roman numeral represents the number 120? It's B. CXX. Which word has the same meaning as tenacious? It's A. Persistent. Which word describes something created to educate or provide instruction? The answer is B. Didactic. What is the term for the way words are organized within a sentence? C. Syntax. Which country contains more lakes than any other nation on Earth? That would be C. Canada. Which option shows the correct spelling of the word, meaning a period of 1,000 years? The correct spelling is at B. What do we call someone who is skilled in creating elegant, artistic handwriting? That's B. Calligrapher. At what temperature do the Celsius and Fahrenheit scales show the same numerical value? At C. -40 degrees. Which planet is the sixth one from the Sun in our solar system? It's A. Saturn. The digestive enzyme pepsin is responsible for breaking down which type of nutrient? A. Proteins. On which type of tree are edible dates naturally produced? On C. A palm tree. Which Greek philosopher taught that the highest purpose of life is achieving happiness? It was A. Aristotle. The human appendix is connected to which part of the digestive system? It's B. The large intestine. Which animal is the only one born with fully developed horns? It's B. A giraffe. Which nation's flag includes an image of an AK-47 rifle? The answer is A, Mozambique. What is the name of an angle that measures more than 180 degrees? C, reflex. Which word means having an extremely eager appetite or craving? It's C, ravenous. What is the standard unit used to measure electrical power? The answer is A, watts. What do the letters DNA stand for in biology? B, deoxyribonucleic acid. Which optical device splits white light into a rainbow of colors? A, a prism. Which Dutch painter is known for cutting off part of his own ear? It was B, Vincent van Gogh. Which animal stays partly alert by sleeping with one eye open? It's C, a dolphin. What is the correct name for a group of gorillas? The answer is A, a band. What do we call a geometric shape that has 10 sides? A, decagon. What is the term for a sequence of 8 musical notes spanning one pitch to the next? That's C, octave. What was Princess Diana's family surname before marriage? It was C, Spencer. Mythomania is the psychological urge or compulsion to do what? B, to tell a lie. What is the term for a seaward moving current that pulls water away from the shoreline as waves arrive? The answer is A, undertow. What is the name of the capital city of Chile? It's B, Santiago. What do we call a poem that is made up of exactly 14 lines? It's called A, sonnet. On an airplane, where is the control surface known as a flaperon located? On A, the wings. Which word means completely free of mistakes or flaws? It's B. Flawless. Which word describes someone who shows no interest, concern, or enthusiasm? B. Apathetic. Which blood type is recognized as the universal donor for plasma? It's A. Type AB. What do we call the land area where all rainfall and runoff flow toward the same outlet? C. Watershed. Which snake is known as the fastest moving species on land? It's A. The black mamba. In which country can you find the Troodos mountain range? It is C. Cyprus. A butterfly is in which form during its larval stage? A. A caterpillar. What do we call mammals that have a multi-chambered stomach for breaking down plant material? The answer is B. Ruminant. Which type of triangle has 3 sides of different lengths? C. A scalene triangle. What instrument did ancient sailors use to determine their position while navigating? C. Astrolabe. Which marine animal is known for being able to naturally change its gender? It's B. The clownfish. What do we call a puppet that is moved using strings controlled from above? It's called C. Marionette. Which type of angle measures more than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees? A. An obtuse angle. What is the term for someone who has refined taste and expertise in food and drink? It's B. Epicure. What do we call mammals that reproduce by laying eggs instead of giving birth to live young? A. Monotreme. What is the main element that makes up the Earth's core? The answer is C. Iron. Tell me in the comments how you did, and click the thumbs up if you had fun and want to see another video like this. Thank you so much for playing.